know what they say, boys, that's 1/10 of a... Boys, back in action, we're back in the action. Thank you guys so much for joining back. I'm gonna be real with you guys for a second. I'm obviously sick. For a couple days now, I feel like I gotta get a video out to you guys, man, you know what I mean? This video is actually gonna be super fun, but my energy is gonna be real low. I actually got tested yesterday, though. It came back clean today, so we're all good. I cleaned it, like, you know what kind of test I'm talking about. My balls are fine, boys. Just wanted to make sure, though, that I could go spend Thanksgiving with my grandparents tomorrow. We're all good. Time to get in this video, man. Sorry once again that it's gonna be like, I don't think when I'm sick. I don't ever, so this is good. I've been preparing myself for this moment my whole life. Oh, we got a freaking package, boys. Anyway, boys, first things first, if you guys want to give a huge thumbs up, comment down below. It means the world to me. We called the last one 001 of getting shared again, hopefully on YouTube. We're gonna chalk this up as 2, because the last one did a little better. I really appreciate that. With that, I'm doing a giveaway again. We're giving away another gold rope chain, boys, right here. I actually have it in hand this time. The other one I actually sent out. I'm trying to find the dude that I sent it to. He sent me a picture for proof for you guys, but it got lost in my DM. So, dude, if you're watching this and I sent it to you, please send me another DM. I can't find it. But anyway, boys, what you gotta do is 500 thumbs up within the day to get this gold rope chain, 10 karat gold, and thinking is bad again. Uh-oh, blanking. I don't think I'm gonna get it back. Oh, I really don't think I'm gonna get it back. Mom! I'm just kidding. No, hold on. Oh yeah, thumbs up, comment down below, and my Instagram's right here. Just let me know when you did that. Appreciate you guys so much. On to the video. Alright, boys, you know what they say. There's Budweiser and there's Bud Light. Choose the right one. It's got nothing to do with the video. I just wanted to put something out there for you guys. A little word of advice, you know what I mean? Make of that as you will. I don't know. Alright, boys, so we got a package from NBA YoungBoy, or I guess NBA YoungBoy's team in this video, because dude's unfortunately in jail. I don't really know why they're picking on him so much. I know he's done some crazy things, and actually, it's been said now that platforms are now not letting him get pushed, so this might be a stupid video for me to make. This might be one of the bigger packages we've unboxed in the last couple of months. It's 2 pounds of stuff that shouldn't be 2 pounds. You know what I mean? It's very big, sick, blank. Anyway, the other day, I don't know if you saw the video, but his album came out and we went shopping online for his new merch. Now, I didn't actually pick up what I thought I was going to in that video. I actually picked up something that I thought would be more fun because you guys know I love my mystery boxes and I love mystery videos. Like, if I bought things that I already knew I was gonna buy, then it's not a mystery to me, and then I'm like, oh, here's what I bought. I already knew I bought it, so enjoy, guys. I can't get mad at anything about it because I know what I bought, but mystery boxes gives me some room to, you know, get mad. I don't know. Anyway, we literally have 2 pounds of clothing here. I bought this $100 mystery box off NBA YoungBoy's website. It actually came out to $90 American because there was a discount code. Let's open it up. The reason I like buying mystery boxes from NBA YoungBoy's is because his stuff, for the most part, I'd say 90% of the time is absolute trash. It's just really bad, but sometimes you're gonna get a nice piece that's kind of designed well. I don't know. It's up to you guys, you know what I mean? Some people have different styles, but I don't want this damn cartoon ape with money coming out of its ass and, like, you know, it throwing up gang signs. I feel like I'm 12. But maybe we'll get something sick, and once again, it's a mystery box. So here we go, NBA YoungBoy's mystery box. Quick ad, please. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Me. I brought to you that website, and what we got on there is a sick mystery box, boys. I just want to go check out what's in it. There's a link in the description. It's only $24.99, boys, and one person that purchases one of the mystery boxes that helps out the channel so much is actually going to get either a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. I'm gonna let you guys choose. The more boxes you buy, I guess, is the more entries you get. We also sell fake jewelry on there. It's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. Appreciate it. NameBranFam.com. Keep rocking it, bro. Guys, you've spent a lot of money on that website and it helps out a ton. Thank you. Alright, boys, let's just get into this. My trailer's running on empty. You know what I mean? My caboose, if you will. So, $100. I don't know what we could expect. I hope it's stuff from his newer drop, because some of his newer drop stuff I really liked. But, okay, so we're already just gonna throw this out the window. There's a lot of stuff, by the way, boys. When I say 2 pounds of clothing, can't plop things on this thing. I threw it at the wall the other day and it broke. Probably shouldn't have pissed me off, huh? Anyway, we haven't done a mystery box in a little while, boys. Or at least with rapper merch. First one, I'm gonna chuck it. This is Billie Eilish vibes. No hate to her. Okay, graphic is actually really freaking cool. It's really cool. It's just on lime green and I look like a goddamn coconut wearing it. Nope. They're all in size large. I might give some of these away to you guys, so maybe I'll fold it out. No, I'm not folding that one. Bad. Next up, there's a lot in here, boys, so we might go pretty... What the hell was that even? There was just like a makeshift Goku or the bad guy time that showed we got yellow. This is not going well. See, the graphics are kind of sick, but then we got asshole over here with freaking stitches on him holding out his tongue, so maybe not too sick. Yellow shirt, I don't know, I look like a freaking apple. Can't do it. I can't read it. Garbage so far. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I just don't like the colors. And the graphics too, they feel so stiff. Flip out a little bit because my money seems like it's being wasted. See, now here's a color that I can get with. I'm not giving any of these away. I'm too sick for that. Boys, now this is, what does that say? Oh, this is a bust real quick. Just says never on it. I love this color. I definitely wear this color. I hope there's accessories in here. That's what we're really looking for, boys. That's what I really like. I think we could have gotten rid of all this crap and just kept the square with the spider. I think that would have been dope. I don't know. There's no saving that. It's a real gamble with NBA yellow. Okay, we got more yellow. They're all just weird colors. When's the last time you saw him wearing these colors? You'd think it'd be something he'd wear himself, but I don't think I've ever seen him wearing light blue, yellow, or freaking green. Oh, boobies. Yes. I'm kidding because it's a cartoon. Obviously, it says never. Okay, so that must say bro. That's actually kind of sick graphic. It's yellow. I'm not gonna wear it. I'm massively disappointed right now. My day has almost been ruined, but we're not through all the product yet. A blue one. Okay, let's hope this one's good because this is a color I like. It says never all over it again. All people are gonna read when you're walking down the street is never. Never what? Oh, you're never broke again. That's why you're wearing a freaking Gildan shirt. Holy crap, bro. I hope we got some like slides or something in here, like a carpet. I think he had a carpet on there I really wanted, but oh, she is showing her. Okay, next. Oh, but we got a black shirt. Okay, now this fabric's different. That's what's pissing me off. That fabric also is hard as hell. This is a nice fabric with a little boy as a graphic. I guess you could say kind of Boondocks vibes, which was cool, but it's never broke again. I get it. Awesome. We got a duplicate. This is so great. We got another blue one of this. I'm so glad to see you guys are paying attention. And now we have another soft one. Let's hope this is good. And the same thing, just in white. This is going downhill quick. Okay, we have another white one, very stoked. And let's see the graphic. It's the same graphic, different material as the last one, but same graphic in white. And once again, never in cap lock. I want to freak out right now. I just don't have the energy to. I feel like I've been jumped twice. Freaking, what is this? Oh, we got another duplicate. Awesome. So now we have 3 of these, 2 of which are blue, 1 is white. Oh, we got a new graphic. I don't even care it's lime green anymore, boys, because it's new. And what the hell? It says never in cap lock. Hell yeah. Green. This one's so sick. Right, boys? And we have one more. So I'm not gonna lie. We got a lot of shirts here. We got a ton of shirts. Just lots of duplicates. One more. It's white. I love white. As you guys can tell, white is all I wear on camera because the lighting's a little better when I wear white. Is that it? No freaking accessories. A little mad about that, but that's alright. Boys, last up, we have the same graphic as the last. This one's actually sick. I actually like how the colors work on this. It just says never in cap lock again. Well, that's your video. I'm gonna go back to bed after editing this, and hope you had a good time with this one, because I just think that I didn't. I had a good time talking to you guys, but like, what the hell is that? Okay, bye. Thanks, I be a young boy and your team for really hooking a man up. Although this material is good. Alright, bye boys.